The fact is, if you want to make money online, you're going to need web pages. Squeeze pages, bonus pages, sign-up pages, sales pages, and more. And if you want to be taken seriously, those pages had better look great. Also, they had better be mobile responsive if you hope to be a success. No problem, right? As long as you're a highly skilled web developer. But what if you're not? Introducing Blox. Blox is a revolutionary software that transforms complete novices into professional developers. With its easy-to-use point-and-click system, as well as professionally designed templates, even a complete novice can quickly create dynamic, mobile-responsive Web 2.0 pages in minutes. But Blox doesn't stop there. With the included pop-up creator, you can make modal, timed, and on-exit pop-ups that work on any site and any device in a snap. Blox integrates with virtually any autoresponder, any video hosting, and hundreds of third-party products. Build an email list, sell a product, earn affiliate commissions, capture bounces, generate traffic, create the profitable business that you deserve with Blox. Click below to get started right now. Hey guys, Brett here, and in this video I'm going to show you the basic usage of the Blox page builder. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and log into your account and then go ahead and click on My Pages. Once you click on My Pages, you're going to see a screen that looks similar to this. Of course, if you haven't created any pages yet, you are not going to see any pages listed. To create a new page, simply click on the New Page button, and it's then going to ask you for the page name. Go ahead and enter in a name for your page, keeping in mind that you can change it later if you need to. For this demo, I'm just going to go ahead and enter a page name called Test 2. Once I enter in the page name, I can then click Save New, and it will create my page. Now I have a couple of options here. I can do the stats for my page, which obviously there aren't going to be any because I didn't even build the page yet. I can go ahead and delete the page. I can copy the page. I can edit the page, or I can view the page. Now, since I haven't created this page yet in the editor, I want to go ahead and click on the Edit button so I can create my page. Inside of the Blox editor, you're going to see a screen that looks very similar to this. Now, you might notice there is an empty area right in here. That's what you're going to use to fill in to create your page. And on the right-hand side, there are several buttons to start creating your page with. There's the Add button, the Save button, the Settings button, the Template button, and the Exit and Help button. Now, the Template button will allow you to load one of the pre-made templates so you can start building your page very easily. But in this demo, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to build the page from scratch. Now, the Settings button will allow you to edit all your page settings. Page settings include the page title, the background color, background image, border color, border thickness, and border roundness. The best way to understand those settings is to just go ahead and play with them a little bit, and you can start finding settings that look good to your eye. Now, in order to build the page itself, you need to add blocks to your page, and then you fill those blocks with elements. So, for example, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click the Add button, and I'm going to add a single block. So now a single block is one block that fills the entire width of the page. You can see there's a couple of options here as well. There's the double block, the left block, the right block, the triple block, and the small side block. Each one of those will add blocks to your page that you can fill with elements that are configured differently. And the best way to use these and understand how they work is to go ahead and play around with them. I'm going to go ahead and add a single block, and you can see it's now added my single container to my page. Of course, at this point, there's nothing inside of it, so it's just a red block. In order to add something to there, what I need to do is go ahead and click on it, and it will ask me what I want to add into that block. Do I want to add a text, an image, HTML, or a clip art? I'm going to go ahead and add some text. It will then bring up the text editor, and I can enter in my text here. Now, this editor is what you see is what you get, so you can go ahead and format it the way you want. And then go ahead and click Update and Save, and then that blank block will now turn into a text block. Now I can edit this anytime I want by simply mousing over it and clicking on it, and it will bring up the editor so I can continue to edit my block if I like. In order to continue building my page, I simply add in more blocks and fill the containers with new elements. So I'll go ahead and I'll click add again. And this time I'm going to hit a small side blocks. And as you can see, this has a larger container in the middle and two smaller containers on the right and left. Now for this particular example, I don't want anything in the containers in the right or left, so I'm going to go ahead and click on each of those blocks. I'll just make them HTML with nothing inside of it, so that makes the block disappear. I'll go ahead and do that. For the center, I want to go ahead and add in a clip art, so I'll go ahead and click on it. I'll select clip art, and then I'll go ahead and pick the clip art that I want to enter inside of there. Let's go ahead and just enter this little underline here, and I've now added my graphic. And I can go ahead and continue building my page by adding new blocks and then filling those containers with elements, text, graphics, images, HTML, which is great for adding video embed code or anything else that I want, such as timers, until my page is completely built. Now, if you want to get started really quickly, if you don't really want the full freedom of building a page from scratch, you can go ahead and click on the templates button and simply pick one of the templates that you like the layout of, and go ahead and start building your page by editing the existing layout. And again, to edit the existing layout, you simply mouse over each element and click on it, and then you can edit it as you need. So that's a quick overview on how to use the Blox page editor. If you have any questions, feel free to send in a support ticket. Just make sure that you include your account login email when you send in your support ticket, because I cannot look up your account if you don't provide your account login email. Thank you and enjoy.